How to upload video on Facebook page. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook and then navigate to the page that you want to upload a video on. And here you will have two options. The first one is to upload the video as a normal post by clicking on the post option, then selecting photo/video from the menu list at the bottom, and here select your video. You can add something on this video, and you can add a title, whatever that might be. Once you're done, click on share. Click share on newsfeed, and your video will be now uploaded, and it will be on the page once the uploading process has come. As you can see right here, the video has been uploaded to your page. The second option is to upload the video as a reel by clicking on the reel option and then selecting your video, and here you can add and edit your video by adding some audio, text effects, etc., just like you usually do. Once you're done, click on next at the bottom right to continue, and here you can add a description to your reel, and once you're done, click on share reel, and again the reel will be uploaded to your page once the uploading process has finished. As you can see right here, the reel has been uploaded to the page. So this is a reel and this is a normal video. So that was it for this video. That's how you can upload a video to a Facebook page. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.